Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your East Oakland advocate. Well, today I'm back down here at H&M Laundromat doing some laundry today, but here's something that is very interesting. So, you know how expensive it is to do laundry and everything. You've got to feed the machine with so many quarters. I've been wondering for the longest time why somebody hasn't done this. Put in a card reader so that you can use your debit card or ATM card to do your washing. And so here it is. H&M is the first laundromat that I've seen that actually has done this. And my wash is going. It's so much more convenient than having to drag quarters everywhere or buying the quarters out of the machine here. So folks, if you want some convenience, H&M Laundromat here in East Oakland on International Boulevard. They have card readers. And you can see on top all the different ways you can pay. It's real simple now, much better than the previous standing here for minutes feeding quarters into the machine. Thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.